Welcome to Jen's Nocturnal Crafts, where sleep's a myth and yarn's my path. Plushies, hats, and cozy flair, made with love and some despair.
So today I'm going to show you how to make a granny square, a moon, like a crescent moon granny square. So we're doing two yarns of this because the thread is really thin, so we're doing double. And then it's so nice and like sparkling. And then we're doing one of these, and this is the Amigo from Hobby. So yeah, let's get started. So to start this off, we're going to start with a magic ring, and it's the color of the like background for the square, not the moon. Well, I immediately fucked that up, it's fine. What is crochet if not, you know, struggling a little bit? There you go. And then into the magic ring, we're gonna crochet, first we're gonna chain one, and then we're gonna, oh no, it's not double. We're gonna do single crochets, so 8 of them. That's 1. And now 2. And 3. And I'll get back to you once I've done 8. Now when we have 8 of them, we're gonna pull it close and make sure, like, hold it down so it doesn't like twist, because that's really unnecessary, like mine did here. And I'm gonna poke that out. There we go. And then whoop, pretty little thing. Would be nice if it focused. Then to the last stitch you made, you're going to do a slip stitch. There we go. And then chain 2, and then in the same stitch you're doing a double crochet. There you go. And then we're going to proceed to make 2 double crochets in every stitch going around. So I'll get back to you once I've done that. Okay, so I have the last stitch on my hook, which is the 2 last, where I'm gonna just pull through the thread, and instead of pulling the same color, I'm gonna pull the moon color through. I'm just gonna pull it through, and then I'm gonna slip stitch to the next stitch. There we go. And then in that stitch, this is a little bit more complicated, we're making another stitch, a single crochet in there. And it's important to keep like strain on your keeping your yarn under control. So there, now we're starting our little moon. So in the next stitch, we're gonna do a single crochet and a half double crochet. And then the next one, we're doing a half double crochet, and then the next one after that, it's a double, 2 doubles, sorry, 2 doubles in the same stitch. And then in the next one, we're doing the same, 2 doubles. Hello, would like to cooperate, please? 2 doubles. Then in the next one, we're doing 2 triples, which is my least favorite stitch. But here we are. Oh, oh no. Chicken twisting there. And one more. Oh yeah, the yarn is not cooperating. Whoop. And there we go. Also notice I did not cut the first color because we're gonna come back to it after this moon. Let's just keep going with 2 doubles. And you can go over there. It's not easy when the skein wants to mess around and be in the way. And we have 2 doubles and 2 doubles. After that, we're doing a half double through all 3, and then let me think, half double, and in the same stitch as that one we're doing a single there, and the next one is a single, and then after that we're slip stitching, but we are grabbing the other color. So through, and then grab the other color, right back, and then swoop and swoop, and there you have a little crescent. Now the other yarn, we're done with that for now, so you can cut it. Make sure to leave a bit if you want to like weave it in. And then here we're just gonna chain 2, do a double crochet in the same stitch. Let me see here, same stitcheroos there, and that's the start of our next thingamajig. Then we're gonna do a couple of double crochets, like 2 in some of the stitches here until we reach this, and then we're gonna do back loop only all across this, and then it's just gonna keep going with the purple, and then at the end I'm gonna do this light purple as a frame around it. So I finished the little thing here. So like I said, this is the back loop, so we're gonna do 2 double crochet in the back loop only, and it's gonna look a little weird until it like settles. Like, let me see here, not cooperating is fine. Just a little loosey-goosey. So this is part of my yarn, so I can just pull it back a little bit, and then so it turns out like this, and then it's gonna be every other is gonna be double. So all of them in back loop, every other in your, so all the way over here. So the next to last stitch here, you stop and then continue after, like you have to, yeah, just I'll be back when I'm there. So in the last 2 stitches you just do the same, you do the back loop only, single double crochets, so not double in the last 2, and then you just slip stitch to the top of the top of the starting, and then whee, you have a little moon, and then you're gonna make this into a beautiful square, and at the end of it it's gonna look like this. So if you want me to continue and show you the rest of this, I'm gonna upload a part 2. If not, you know, thank you for looking, for sticking around. But look how pretty and sparkly this is though. Beautiful, I love it. So starting off where we left off, chain 2. It's basically the start of every round on this, and then we're gonna double crochet in the same stitch, and then going around we're gonna do every other all the way around, 2 double crochets and then 1 double crochet. So every other is going to be 2, every other is going to be 1. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm gonna come back to you, but I'll show you the first couple. So you start with 1 double, and then in the next one you're gonna do 2 double crochets, 2, and then like I said, just going around 1 2 1 2 all the way around until you reach here. Then you're gonna slip stitch into the starting chain that you did. Easy peasy, right? So I'll see you back in a little bit. So I finished a round. So now, like I said, last we're gonna slip stitch into the beginning of the round. Then we're gonna chain 2, like so, and then in the same stitch we're gonna do a double crochet. There you go. And then in the next one, also a double crochet. And then in the next one, we're doing 2 stitches of half double crochets. I lost a little. Here we go, we'll try again. Half double crochets. It's a little bit difficult to work with 2 strands at the same time. It's a little bit pain in the ass, especially when the parts have sparkly bits. So like I said, the next 2, there you go. And then after that, we're doing 2 double crochets, double, wait a minute, yes, 2 doubles, sorry. I was like, hold up, let me think, am I doing the right thing? The answer is no, but also yes. No, because it keeps tangling and being annoying. And then in this one, we're gonna do a triple, which is, like I said before, my absolute favorite stitch, which is just always a delight to work with and never a pain in my booty. And then we're gonna do, in this one, it's gonna be one of the corners. So in this one, it's gonna be 2 triples. Let me see here. 2 triples. 1, 2, and then chain 3, and then another 2 triples in the same stitch. So all of these, the 4 triples and the 3 chain is in the same stitch to make a corner. There you go, look, the little corner. And then in between all of these, we're gonna work the double crochets. So first, now it's gonna be a triple, and then it's gonna be 2 DCs, 2 half double crochets, and 1 single crochet. So a triple, pain in the booty, that's what it is. Triple, 2 doubles, double, and a double. Oh yeah, stuckaroos. Oh, and I lost the strand again. No way, it's here. It's just being a little hidey. There we go. So 2 doubles, 2 half doubles, and then a single, and then it just goes that way around. So 2 half doubles. So it's the same like what we did on this side, but it's going to be mirrored. So 2 half doubles would be mighty nice if things would be, you know, cooperative. And then 2 doubles, and not in the same stitch though, so separate stitches for all of these. 2 double, and then we have the stinking triple, 1 triple, and then we have the corner, so 2 triples, chain 3, 2 triples in the same stitch. Delightful. It always twists for me. I detest it. But it turns out cute, so you know, what can you do? Shroop? Nah. Okay, well, we're gonna do that one again, because that one got lost in the translation there. Shroop, shroop. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and another 3. There we go. If you would just be nice. Okay. So now we have another corner. So look, boop boop. So just repeat that until you reach the end. So all of these. So again, 2 doubles, 2 half doubles, 1 single, 2 half doubles, 2 double, and then the triple, then 2 triples in the same stitch, chain 3, 2 triples in the same stitch. So all of those things should be in 1 stitch. The 4 triples, so 2, chain 3, 2, and be right back. So for the last stitch, I'm actually skipping one. So I'm gonna go in like I would to do a normal slip stitch, and then I'll pull through the color that I want for my border. So if you want, you can like use whatever color you want. If you want like a more extreme color or whatever, like, but I like these 2 colors together. I think they're really pretty. And then you're gonna chain 2, and then you're gonna do a double crochet in the same stitch, just like before. So in the same stitch, without pulling up the back of the yarn. There you go. And that's gonna be the start of your next row. So going around, you're just gonna be making double crochets basically. So up until the edges, you're gonna make 1 double crochet in each, and then in the corners you're gonna make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So it's gonna be 4 double crochets in this space along with the chain 2. So I'll show you once I reach a corner. So now I'm up to the corner, so we're just gonna make 2 double crochets into the space, and then chain 2, and then 2 double crochets again. There. And then we're just gonna continue around. So do that all the way around and get back to me at the end. All right, and then once you've done that, you just slip stitch here again, and then you're done. Shroop. There you go. And then, like I said, block it so it looks better. But look, done and done. I might do this as well. So I just pull on it so it looks a little bit better with the threads. But yeah, just weave it in and then you're done. You've made a granny square. Good job!
Welcome to Jen's Nocturnal Crafts, where sleep's a myth and yarn's my path. Plushies, hats, and cozy flair, made with love and some despair. Hook in hand, I'm on a roll, turning string into soul control. Stick around, you might just see crafting chaos creatively.